Introduction to the implementation of railway track detection system using ESP32. In this project we are using GSM module and GPS, and also using a buck converter, 12 volts 2 battery, track PCB and relay, 16:2 LCD display, and also using a ultrasonic sensor. So I will show you here. So this is the front of this project. So these two are the IR sensors. This is the ultrasonic sensor, and also using a ESP32 and buzzer. So the main purpose of this project is to detect the cracks of the track. So you can see, imagine this as a track. So if any track have any crack, so we can see here, these are the cracks which is detected by these IR sensors. These IR sensors will be send the data to the ESP module. From this ESP module, it will send a message alert also using this GSM module. And also it will GPS will be send a location of the crack track to our mobile phone. I will show you how. So coming to the battery, so each battery have a 4 volt 1 amp capacity. So we added the 4 batteries in a series. So in a series manner we can see 4 is equals to 12 volts with the 1 amp current. So this battery pack is added with the parallel connection. In parallel connection, voltage will be same, but the current will be added. So that's why it is a 2 amp 12 volts battery pack. That 12 volts 2 amp will be given to this buck converter. We know buck converter converts high DC to low DC. So it is taking the 12 volts DC and it is stripping down up to 5 volts DC. That 5 volts DC will be given to this track PCB. So the main purpose of track PCB is equally divide the 5 volts power supply to these all components, because this all components will be works on the 5 volts power supply. And coming to the relay also works on the 5 volts power supply, which is triggered by the ESP32 module. If relay gets switched on, then motor will be get switched on, so it will be continued. So if relay gets switched on, then whenever the crack will be detected. Now I will show you how it will be works. So we can see here I have inserted Airtel SIM to this GSM module. Let's switch on this power supply. So here we can see there will be a green light. It is blinking with a less delay. If it is blink with a less delay, which means signal is coming to the Airtel. If the green light will be blinks with a less delay, so it will be, which means it is this Airtel SIM not having any signal. If it is blink with the delay, which means it is having a signal. So now I am placing here. So now you can see. So now it is detected a crack here, and also we can see in the crack detected on the left track. And if any object will be come across the ultrasonic sensor, it will be show the object alert, and also we can see here object. And also here also crack detected, and you can see it is showing the crack detector on the right side. So here we can see crack was detected here, crack detected on left side and right side and the right side. And these are the GPS locations. So we are inside of this room, so that's why GPS location is showing 00. If it is placed in outside of the room, then we can see latitude longitude values of the GPS. So if you open this one, so it will continue open in the Google Map. So in this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.